One of the easiest way to grow your website or blog is through organic traffic. And you cannot get organic traffic without ranking on Google's first page. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited to have you back as always. Today we're going to be looking at how you can quickly rank on Google first page by just implementing some few things. Fine, you may not have total control of how to rank on Google, but there are things you can do to make that process fast. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. All right, let's go and see how to get that done. So let's say I open a new page, right? I open a new page and I search for benefits of digital skills, right? Benefits of digital skills. Now, this is a keyword, right? And if you scroll down to the result page, this is Google first page. You see we'll have the first result, the second result, and you can see this is the third result. 5 reasons why you need digital skills. This is our content, and this content is bringing us some measure of traffic, free traffic, organic traffic. All right. I'm going to be showing you the things we did to be able to rank for this particular keyword. All right. So in ranking on Google first page, there are a few things you can do. All right. Publishing good content is good, but there are a few things you can take note. So number one is you need to optimize your website, right? On page SEO, on page SEO. So what you can do quickly is to go to your WordPress backend, right? And go to plugins. If you go to plugins, there's a plugin called Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a free plugin, although it has a premium version, pro version, but you can start with the free one. All right, if you don't have money to pay, you can start with the free one. You go to plugins and look for Yoast SEO. All right, so with this plugin installed on your website, you can use it to optimize the page, the content. You can use it to optimize your content. So you can see it's active here, right? When you install this plugin, you will use it to optimize your content by taking care of some few things, okay? Taking care of some few things. So let's go to pages. Let me show you pages, all pages, all right? Let's look at, okay, I think it's post actually. It's under posts, all posts. So what we are trying to look at is how you can use Yoast to quickly optimize the content, right? It's 5 reasons why you need digital skills. Let me look for that particular content. 5, okay, this is it here. 5 reasons why you need. So let me click on edit and show you some few things. Okay, so when this opens, so how you can quickly optimize all these things you're going to take care of, right? All these things you're going to take care of to be able to. So you're going to do ensure that all these are taken care of: your outbound link, your inbound link, your image, your internal link, your key phrase. So there's a lot. Just go through them one by one. Your meta description. All this you're going to take care of and ensure that to take care of them to be able to get this content fully optimized. So for every content you write, you're going to go through this process of ensuring that all these items are taken care of one by one. So that is basically about the on-page SEO, right? Optimizing your content for on-page. Of course, the content must be high quality, right? It must be a high quality content. Like if you see the content we are talking about that we're ranking for, is not that long, but it's rich. We even embedded some video in it to be able to give the users a good experience by the time they land on the blog, on the article, right? This is the article. This is a video talking about top 10 digital skills you can learn in 2022. And you can see the article is short, is straight to the point, right? There's a table of content that you can jump to a particular place and read. So this is the article, and you can see it. Like I said, it's not that long, but it's straight to the point. And the bounce rate for this is very, very low, showing that users are enjoying this particular article. So you're going to write a good content. You're going to optimize the content on page. You're going to make sure that every single item is taken care of using Yoast. All right. So once that is done, the next thing you're going to do is to share this article, right? Share it as building backlinks now. Okay. You may not have all that is necessary to use some strategies. For instance, guest posting. Can you write for other well-established blogs and link back to your website, or you use social media. Social media is also a way to build backlink. If you share this thing on social media, they're going to link back to you. So for me, I will advise you to start with the one you are familiar with. So if you write a quality article that is well optimized and you publish it on your blog, the next thing is to get it out. Make sure that as many persons as possible knows about this content by sharing it on your social media handle, and of course making sure that people know about it. Then, like I said, if you can do guest posting, you can use that to also build backlinks. That is writing for other well-established blog and linking back to your blog. You can also do research on broken links. There are some websites that have published some articles, but those articles, if you click on them, you are not going to get anything again. So if you discover something like that, you can use your content to fill in that gap by just contacting them. You contact them, then you ask to be able to replace their broken link with your own content. Okay, so these are some of the strategies you can quickly adopt, and you can begin ranking for a particular keyword almost immediately. Of course, don't forget that your website, right? Your website, you must not forget Google Business, all right? Google Business is a local listing, Google Business. If your business is not on Google Business, you need to make sure that your business is on Google Business. So you list your website for whatever product or services you are offering, so that people around your area will be able to know that this is what you do. This is another way to build a lot of authority online on Google for yourself. All right. If you go on Google now and you type our business, you're going to see that we're listed on Google Business, and that one alone is bringing a lot of business to us, because people around who are looking for the kind of service we offer, by the time they go on Google and search, they're going to come to us. So ensure that your website is listed on Google Business. So if you implement this quick strategy, you can see your website traffic increase. So what do you do? Number one is create quality content, right? Optimize it as you publish, install Yoast and optimize it with Yoast. And after you are done with that, then share that content on your social media, right? Make sure that as many persons as possible knows about this content. And of course, if you can do guest posting, you can reach out to well-established blog or website in your niche, so that you can write and link back to your website. That way, you're going to have a lot of backlinks, which will tell Google that the content you have is a good content. If you do that, you will see your traffic increase. And who knows, you may find that content on the first page of Google. So go ahead and implement, and let me know what the result is. Of course, use the comment section, or you can reach out to us on email. Let me know what you're implementing and what is working for you, so that, of course, other people can also learn. So do this, and I'm sure in a very short time, you will see the results. So this is where we're going to draw the curtain on the video, and I'll come your way again to share more exciting videos on other topics in online marketing, digital marketing, and everything that has to do with making money from the comfort of anywhere. I'll see you again next time.